Hey there, I'm Eva, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super creamy potato fennel bake. I love this recipe because it's super easy to make, it's incredibly comforting, and the sweet fennel pairs really well with the creamy cashew sauce and the crispy thinly sliced potatoes. So let's get started. First, we're going to make our creamy cashew sauce by taking some cashews that we've soaked overnight and drain them and put them in a blender with some minced garlic, some milk, which can be vegan or dairy, you do you, vegetable stock, juice from a large lemon, some yeast flakes, and salt. Then we just turn it on and puree it until it's super smooth and silky. And we'll set that aside for now. Next, we'll preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and let it warm up while we start preparing the rest of the ingredients. Next, we'll want to peel our russet potatoes and cut them into super thin slices. You can try to do this by hand, but if you can use a mandolin, that will get you really nice and consistently thin slices. And if you're worried about cutting yourself, some mandolins have a cutting guard that protects your hand, and I have one linked below in the video description. It's not the exact one I'm using because this one is my mom's mandolin from the 90s, as is evidenced by this clearly timeless packaging, but it is really similar in style. So now that the potatoes are all sliced, you'll want to thinly slice the fennel too. This is a little trickier to do on the mandolin, so I just recommend cutting the fennel bulb by hand with a chef's knife into as thin of slices as you possibly can. Now we'll just toss our potato slices with some olive oil, thyme, rosemary, and salt, and then we're ready to start layering. So in our greased 10 by 13 inch baking dish, we're going to start layering down about 1/3 of the potato slices in a slightly overlapping layer, almost like rough shingles. It looks nice and it helps keep the potatoes cooking evenly since they're all evenly distributed on each layer. Next, we'll lay down half the fennel slices in an even layer, and these won't really be overlapping, they'll just be next to each other. Now we'll pour half the cashew cream mixture over the fennel, and then we'll do another layer of potatoes with another 1/3 of the potato slices. Then the remaining half of the fennel slices, then the remaining half of the cashew cream, and then the final 1/3 of the potato slices will go on top. Then we'll just pop it in the oven and bake it for about an hour. Look at that. And now that it's done, we'll top it with some lemon zest and cut out a slice. Wow, this smells so good. I love how crispy the potatoes get on top too. Okay, let's give it a taste. The potatoes on top are like perfectly crispy, and that cashew cream is just like so silky and just melts in your mouth. And when you try any of my recipes, if you could do me a big favor and leave me a comment and review on my website, I'd really appreciate it. I'll leave the link below in the description. And if you're looking for even more fennel or potato recipes, I've got some more linked down there for you too. And make sure to like and subscribe for more recipes from my kitchen to yours. I'll see you soon.